Yeah.
How did you make the tofu?
Boiled it.
You boiled it and then
Put some scallion on it. Well, chives on it, and just I boiled it with salt water, and put a little bit what is it called? Sesame oil on it.
that's a lot easier to cook like this than
Chopping.
chopping the darn thing when it's raw, huh? Where are the seeds? You were worried about the seeds.
The seeds is down here.
There's not going to be any big deal. So that's your lunch. What do you got? Rice?
I got purple rice, tofu, and squash.
What's the squash called?
Butternut.
Butternut squash. I couldn't remember. Oh.
That's plenty of food.
You're not going to put any beans in it?
No.
The beans are for me?
Mm-hmm. So we don't want to be gassy at work. Here comes the chives.
What's the rice?
Purple rice.
Purple rice? Does it really say that? Purple rice?
They're black rice.
Black
Actually,
rice.
it's red rice. But I call it purple rice. This was purple.
Whoa! When I took the lid off a while ago, it really smelled up the kitchen.
I like it. Makes everything taste better.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't give me pimples. Did you leave me?
Leave you what?
Let it salt and a drizzle of oil.
See how much your drizzle is. Oh, that's about 6 tablespoons.
But that's not true.
What does it say? How much calories per tablespoon? Is it tablespoon
That's
or teaspoon?
not even a teaspoon.
130.
1 tablespoon is 130.
So that's about a tablespoon you put on there at most.
Really? I don't think it's even teaspoons.
You're going to have to start checking it out. Okay, so that's your lunch for tomorrow.
No greens.